Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide is dedicated to help you remove fake Mac support alerts, also known as Apple Platform Security Alerts. These pop-ups typically attack Mac-related browsers such as Safari, Google Chrome, and Firefox. Such pop-ups quote this fake Mac support number +1 888 350 3498. You should be very careful when you see these pop-ups. Don't ever interact with them. They are absolutely deceptive, and if you call this fake Mac support number, you may hear some online hackers. They'll try to connect to your computer remotely. Then they may damage your system with malware, and then they may demand from you to pay money to get it fixed. All these pop-ups are totally fake, so you should not trust them and you shouldn't interact with them. By the way, they may be the result of some adware in your computer. My strong recommendation is that you carefully research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So after you download the software, this is the way it looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, but in my case it's the premium mode. Even the trial mode has got certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Click on Start Combo Scan button and begin researching and investigating your computer. So then the scanning will begin, and you'll see the summary of the threads which were found during the scan at the end of scan. Combo Cleaner works exceptionally well when it comes to identifying threats like adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, unwanted browser extensions, and other threats. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed to see the full summary of the threats which were found during the scan. We recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license to get rid of all these threats altogether and automatically. This is the best way to keep your data and your computer always protected from malware in the future.